In this video, we will take you to Sta Lucia East Grand Mall in Cainta Rizal. Coming up next. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new content. If you want to watch our videos about mall walking tours, please click on the link above. If you want to watch our videos about the LRT Line 2 East Extension Drive, please click on the link above. Here we go. The Sta Lucia East Grand Mall is owned and operated by the Sta Lucia Realty and Development Incorporated. Located at the corner of Marcos Highway and Felix Avenue, the mall first opened its doors back in 1991. It is the first shopping mall in Rizal Province, with a total leasable area of 230,000 square meters. It is also the biggest mall in Rizal. In 1991, the Phase 1 of the mall first opened. Back in the day, people from Cainta and Marikina had to go to far-off places like Cubao and Crozon just to go shopping. The opening of the mall is a welcome treat to nearby residents. The mall featured 4 cinemas back then, and it is considered to be at par with the latest cinemas on other developed areas. After 2 years, the Phase 2 was opened and they added 4 more cinemas and additional restaurants and shops. They even opened the mall's first department store. The Phase 3 of the mall opened on 1998. They added an additional cinemas, more restaurants and shops. They even opened an amusement park, the Worlds of Fun. It features arcade games, rides. They even have a roller coaster ride. They also relocated the department store from the Phase 2 to the more bigger space in the Phase 3. The mall opened a bowling alley as well. In the middle of the mall is an atrium, and where the mall's fountain is at. Back in the day, there used to be an ice skating rink here as well, but the mall decided to close it down after a few years.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The Il Centro is the latest addition to the mall. It is connected to the main mall via a bridgeway. It features an additional restaurants and shops, plus a fitness gym. It is also the podium of a 5-tower Santa Lucia residences. LRT Line 2 East Extension is under construction. It will soon be connected to Santa Lucia East Grand Mall. Where do you want me to go next? Write on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.